Okay, friends, so let's talk day 2 hair. Now, I typically do dry and style my hair on the first day, but there are some days where that just doesn't happen. So, a part of my like shower routine and post hair care is making sure that I have a serum. And that means that if I don't style it on the first day, or maybe it's 2 or 3 days in, and I've suddenly decided I want to apply a heat product on it, like the curling iron I'm about to use, I'm good to go. I'm covered. I don't have to worry about anything. So, I do have the serum that I'm going to use as a finishing touch just because I love the way that it leaves my ends really soft, but it was applied on my hair at the beginning. So after I showered, before I did anything else, it's always that leave-in treatment for me. So I've gone in, I've added my dry shampoo, I've kind of done all of my post-workout hair care to get myself in a place to style it. And now I'm going to go in and use my 1-inch curling iron and kind of give myself that like beachy wave, and then we'll go in with a little bit of product and I will show you how I finish with the serum. Because I'm gonna brush out what I have with a fine tooth comb because that gives my fine hair some extra volume and doesn't make it look as piecey and helps still give that wave. Now I'm gonna go in and add all of my other little products and we're gonna finish it off with a bit of serum. So one of the things that tends to happen for a lot of people as you use dry shampoo over lots of days, as you use a lot of heat, is that you lose moisture. So I'm adding 1 drop in as usual, kind of swiping it around and going in at the ends. But you're essentially telling your hair to pull the moisture out so that you can prevent it from washing. So the serum kind of helps add back in some of that extra love and extra goodness to keep it healthy and to help deal with all of the hot tools that I use on it, because I do use a lot of dry shampoo. I do use a lot of other products. And there we go. Super simple, super easy, and my hands are nourished as well, but it helps keep everything nice and healthy post birth control, post everything, as I'm looking to grow my hair back in and really kind of give it some length, and that way my ends look luscious and they protect all of my color and I don't have to worry about all of the damaging effects of my wonderful curling iron habits. So there you have it, day 2 using the NUELE Hair Serum.